Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and other semiconductors, that is AMD, ARM, Broadcom, SMCI, Micron. So let's take a look at everything. As for semiconductors, Nvidia is still going up as in the bullish structure that we have been talking about. So let's see what are the key levels. Are we going to all-time highs for 140? We are not very far away from that, right? So let's dive right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. All right, so from the daily interval, you are already aware about we formed this pivot. We have been bullish since then. I have been talking about it. And then level by level, this was the first level. Once we got above 125 and 65 cents, this became a good support. Once we got about $128, almost 128 and 10 cents or something, right? That was a new support, good support. And yeah, since then, any pullback as it has been coming, I have been saying structure all in all is still bullish. My swing bot has also given another long position a couple of days ago. If you have my bot, you already know that. If you need access to my tools, the links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots. Okay, so things have been going up, right? Yeah, structure is still bullish, guys. Still, even now, if Nvidia falls, let's say if a big deep red candle comes, the significant level of 128 and 13 cents is still a support on it in the bullish structure. But take partial profits in the extensions as we go higher, and in the pullback you can reload. That pullback could be in any form or fashion as long as trend holds. What about that structure and trend? So let's go to the hourly interval. All right, so at this point, guys, as you can see in the structure on hourly interval, we are still like bullish. We have higher lows still and higher highs constantly. There is no sign of any downside I mean, like as I said, take partial profits in the extensions, but yeah, you have the levels to watch right now. Yeah, I don't know where when that weakness would come, because right now I'm not seeing any of that. Right now it's just going up and up. So $140 retest is very possible on Nvidia now, and then we'll see what it does. Either goes to new all-time highs after that, or does a little bit of a pullback, but that pullback, remember, doesn't gonna make it bearish. We'll talk about it once it reaches to $140, and if it does, we'll take partial profits throughout the journey. But yeah, structure is, guys, yeah, full on bullish. You can see today as well, any pullback that came just got bought back up and is still getting bought back up. So yeah, that's your Nvidia. 140 is a likely that we are going up there again, and then we'll see what the price action does there. So all right, that's Nvidia. AMD is quite high up today. And with AMD, you already know I have been talking about that we are bullish again since this green candle down there. And any pullback that has been coming, we have been just bullish. Even on this red candle I talked about, well, this green candle I gave you this blue box level, that, guys, anything above it, we are still bullish. We got pullback and went higher. Structure is still bullish on AMD, and I talked about how we can get to $185 to $186. You can see precisely we are now selling off at one of our significant levels. But remember, well, take partial profits in the extensions, and also yeah, technically it's bullish. Structure is still bullish. Take partial profits in the extensions. This is the time to buy. You can reload into the pullbacks, as I have been saying, with the stop loss on the other side. And right now structure on this is still bullish as long as we are above this blue box on AMD. All right, ARM intraday been bullish as well. We are above this level of 177 and 36 cents. As I have been saying about this, structure is still bullish. You can see any pullback that has been coming down there in that area is getting bought back up, and yes, structure is still bullish on it. Broadcom. So Broadcom a little bit slowing down here, and it's more of an hourly play right now. So for, guys, here's the thing. This is the area we were watching, 1739. If we can continue above it, we can continue higher. If we can't do it, and anytime we start to lose now this level like 1718 or this lower pivot, that will constitute some more downside. Trade it only intraday. Yeah, it's a little bit stagnating right now. Structure overall is still bullish though on this thing. But take partial profits in the extensions. This is the time to take partial profits, and you can reload in the pullbacks or things along those lines. But yeah, take partial profits in the extensions. SMCI. So SMCI, as you know, I have been saying structure is still bullish on this and into any pullback as long as we're above this 20 days moving average. And yeah, things are getting bought back up in the bullish structure still. So that was today another buyback happening, and after the pullback, structure on this is overall still bullish. All right. I would be just careful around $1,000. There's just huge supply zone sitting, so just want to be mindful of that. But there's this channel that I showed you a couple of days ago that SMCI is in, so you can even just track this channel or trade this channel. But it's better to be done day trading. When a channel is quite wide, it's better to stick with the day trading with higher level channel as your reference only. Micron, okay. So with Micron, my opinion has been stay on the sideline on these red candles, unless if it breaks this blue box to the downside, then it's a short play. Looks like it's trying to break back again things to the upside with the pivot forming already at that blue box with the double bottom. Now we have gotten above 133 and 96 cents. I would again, so yeah, that's one of the levels. But let's go to the intraday level. And so here's the thing, guys. If it can continue to stay above 134 now, and doesn't go below it, this can intraday starts to crawl up. That's a possibility. But trade it only intraday, nothing more than that. The significant level by level. I'm not gonna do much more than that. Otherwise, stay on the sideline because this can go a little bit zigzaggy choppiness here. We do have that 20 days moving average resistance up on the top. This might give you some zigzagginess, choppiness. Just do it intraday, in my opinion. This thing. All right, cool. All right, guys, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. I'll do another video once the market has closed. But so far, Nvidia is still bullish. That's what I have been saying. Gave you all the support levels and the structural areas to watch. All right, guys, take care.